All right, folks, good morning. Let's get started here. So, for today, Wednesday, March 26th, we have the following information. We had core durable goods orders month over month, and durable goods orders both came in better than expected. At 10 a.m., we'll have FOMC member Kashkari speaking, which is not expected to have a significant impact. And then at 1:10 p.m., we have FOMC member Musalem speaking. That is also not expected to have a significant impact. Taking a look at the NASDAQ, the QQQ ETF, we currently are poised to open about where we closed yesterday. The market did move up higher, not by much, but was modestly higher yesterday. We did not find a successful trade. We essentially broke even on Tesla looking for a short opportunity. We were able to get stopped out very close to break even before it sharply reversed. Um, Other than that, let's take a look at what else is happening today. So let's look at the pre-market. And here's what I see for the pre-market watch list so far. Oops, that wasn't supposed to happen. Hold on for 1 second, guys. I don't even know how I did that. Okay, sorry, accidentally put a trade on. So let's take a look here. So BLNE is first. That's currently up 47 or about 46% on 27.2 million shares. It's at least $1 per share. So we'll go ahead and add that to our pre-market watch list for stocks. Symbol again is BLNE. Next up is HUMA, which is presently down about 30%. 1.5 million shares is at least $1 per share. So we'll add HUMA to the list. Next up is KOPN. That currently is up only 3%, so not enough for our list. So we'll skip that. Next up, we'll check MLGO. Microalgo is currently up over 11%. 3.4 million shares are traded, and it's at least $1 per share. So MLGO Microalgo is added to our list. Next up is NWTG. That's okay. Nope, that's not working. So we'll skip that. Next up is OSRH, which is presently up 170% on 36.5 million shares. It's at least $1 per share. So we'll go ahead and add OSRH to our list. Next up is SURG, which is up about 80% on 18.3 million shares roughly. It's at least $1 per share. So we'll add SURG to our list. Next up is THTX. That's currently up 32% on about 33 million shares. It's at least $1 per share. So we'll go ahead and add THTX to our list. Next up is TNON. At least we'll check. That is currently down about 18% on 9.6 million shares. It's at least $1 per share as well. So we'll go ahead and add TNON to our list. And let's see. And lastly, I have XHLD, which is presently not up enough. It's only up 0.58%, so that won't qualify. All right, so these are the stocks we found so far in this list I just posted. If you see any other stocks meeting all four of our criteria, let me know in the chat. The four criteria are: it must be a NASDAQ listed stock trading at least $1 per share in the current pre-market session. It must have achieved at least a 6% price change as of this moment, which can be positive or negative, and it must have traded at least 1 million shares of pre-market volume. So if you see any other stocks meeting all four criteria, of course, other than the ones already mentioned, let us know in the chat. We'll take a look. All right. Doesn't look like we have any more. So we'll go ahead and wrap up for today's pre-market pulse, folks. Please be sure to like the video. I see we have 4 likes, but more than 4 people watching. So please be sure to hit that like button. That greatly helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Please also be sure to subscribe to the channel so we get notifications. You get notifications, that is. And if anyone's watching this video on a replay and you're not familiar with our company, check out fundertrading.com, our website. You will see a link in the description to this video. Other than that, for everyone who's part of the coaching program, I'll see you there in about 21 minutes, and we'll pick up for today's session. All right, folks, have a great trading session, and I'll see you for tomorrow's pre-market pulse. Take care.